You install Linux Mint, and at first, everything feels smooth. But after a few weeks, you start noticing small friction. Apps take a second longer, the system feels a bit heavier. Nothing is broken, but it's not great either. That's where these hidden gears come in. These are not hacks, they're small adjustments, the kind real users rely on daily. Let's get into it. The first thing most people completely ignore is startup control. Linux Mint is clean, but it still loads more than you actually need. Open your startup applications and take a real look. You'll usually find update checkers, Bluetooth services, maybe a few background tools you don't even use. Turn off what you don't need. This alone can make your system feel noticeably faster after boot. And it's one of the safest tweaks you can do. Now, here's something that actually changes how your system feels. Reduce cinnamon effects. Mint looks beautiful, but those animations come at a cost, especially if you're on integrated graphics or older hardware. Go into Effects and dial things down. Disable window animations, menu fades, workspace transitions. What you'll notice is not just speed, but responsiveness. Everything feels more direct. Less delay between your action and the system's reaction. And honestly, most people don't even miss the animations. Next, memory behavior. This one is underrated. Enable something called Z-swap. You don't need to fully understand it, just know this. It compresses memory before using your disk as swap. So, instead of your system slowing down when RAM fills up, it stays usable much longer. This is especially useful if you multitask a lot, or keep Chrome open with 20 tabs like most people. It's one of the highest impact tweaks for real-world usage. Now let's talk about something people only discover by accident. Nemo Split View. Open your file manager and press F3. That's it. Suddenly, you have a dual-pane file manager. You can drag files across folders instantly, organize faster, and stop opening multiple windows. In Linux Mint 22.3, they even made this easier to access with a visible button. It sounds simple, but once you use it, you can't go back. Here's another hidden gear, and this one is for power users. Regex search in the file manager. Now, I know that sounds technical, but the idea is simple. Instead of searching loosely, you search precisely, like finding all screenshots from a specific date pattern, or only files that start with a certain name. Mint 22.3 added this directly into Nemo. Most people won't use it, but if you do, it saves serious time. And finally, the one thing that quietly fixes a lot of problems. Keep your system updated. Not just for security. Mint updates often include performance improvements, better drivers, and smoother desktop behavior. A lot of people chase tweaks when all they needed was a simple update. Sometimes the biggest upgrade is already waiting in your update manager. So when you combine all of this, faster startup, smoother animations, better memory handling, smarter file management, and a properly updated system, Linux Mint stops feeling good and starts feeling effortless. And that's really the goal. Not tweaking for the sake of tweaking, but building a system that stays out of your way. That's what makes Mint great. And once you get it dialed in like this, it's actually hard to go back to anything else.